Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off notifications for many people on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by going to the settings page on your Twitter account. Navigate to the notifications section and then choose Push Notifications. Select Tweets to view all the accounts that have notifications turned on for your device. From the list of accounts, choose the target accounts for which you want to turn off notifications. Then, select either Off or None, depending on the interface of your device. By following these steps, you can easily manage and customize your notifications by turning them off for specific accounts on Twitter. Ensuring you receive notifications only from the accounts that matter to you. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to turn off notifications for multiple accounts on Twitter using your PC. Follow these steps to tailor your notification settings and enhance your Twitter experience.